Hello everyone, I'm Amber, your Client Engagement Manager for Glee. I'm here to help with the Exhibitor Zone, also known as the Ezone, explain why it's important and guide you through the steps you need to take to stand out from the crowd and attract lots of buyers. This video is a short guide on what the Ezone is and why it's important to you as an exhibitor. Plus, we'll talk you through how to log in and get started. So welcome to your Ezone for this year's Glee. The Ezone is your shop window on the Glee website, as well as a manual covering all the key steps before, during and after the show. You'll be able to showcase your products, take advantage of marketing tools, register your team for badges, order any extra essentials for your stand, and much more. To get started, search for gleebirmingham.com and click on Exhibitor Zone in the top right-hand corner of the homepage. Here, you'll be prompted to log in. Your details would have been sent to you via email from exhibitor@gleebirmingham.com. If you're struggling to log in or have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password button below and enter your email to receive a reset link. Once you've logged in, you'll be greeted by our welcome page. Be sure to read through all the homepage carefully, as it may contain updates and important information to help you complete your profile. The Ezone is split up into 4 sections: blue, pink, green, and red. Your first and most vital step should be completing your exhibitor manual. It is fundamental you use this, as it will be your go-to guide for everything: logistics, stand setup, and health and safety on site. Make this your priority. You will need to complete forms in here that make sure you have everything you need for the show, and you are not to be allowed on site without them. Another priority is the profile and all the other green tabs, as this is your chance as an exhibitor to showcase your products and company on the Glee website. It's really important you fill everything in so you can raise as much awareness as possible. Think of this as your shop window, so make it stand out with all your products and their categories, your catalogues, and you can also add videos. Lastly, don't forget to check out the red section. These tabs will help you maximise your exposure pre, during and post the show with different marketing assets and unique opportunities. If you need any help with anything Ezone related, please contact me via email at exhibitor@gleebirmingham.com. Good luck. We are so excited to see your Ezone profile on the website.